I'm sure you've heard the news. Meditation is becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. In our fast-paced world, finding a moment of peace can be challenging, but meditation offers a simple solution. Meditation can transform your life. It helps you connect with your inner self and find tranquility amidst the chaos. Let's start with a gentle 5-minute routine that even beginners can follow. Meditation is amazing for reducing stress and boosting focus. It can also improve your emotional health, enhance self-awareness, and lengthen your attention span. And guess what? You only need 5 minutes a day. Just a few minutes can set the tone for your entire day, making you feel more centered and balanced. First, find a quiet space. This could be a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or any place where you won't be disturbed. Make it cozy and free of distractions. Now, sit comfortably. Close your eyes. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down if that feels better for you. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the air entering your body, filling your lungs, and then gently leaving. Next, focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it moves in and out. This simple act of paying attention can help anchor you in the present moment. Feel the air fill your lungs. Let it out slowly. With each breath, imagine releasing any tension or stress you might be holding on to. Repeat this, letting your mind relax. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath without any judgment. Now, let's do a body scan. This helps you become more aware of your physical state and release any tension. Start from your toes and move up. Slowly bring your attention to each part of your body, noticing any sensations or tightness. Notice any tension and gently release it. Finally, practice mindfulness. Stay present. This means being fully aware of where you are and what you're doing. If thoughts wander, bring your focus back to your breath. It's natural for the mind to drift, but each time you bring it back, you're training your mind to stay focused. To end, slowly open your eyes. Take your time to come back to your surroundings, feeling the calmness within you. Take a moment to feel refreshed and centered. Notice how your body feels and carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Try this every day. Just 5 minutes can make a huge difference. You got this. With consistent practice, you'll find it easier to tap into this state of calm and clarity.